In this video, I show you how to fix camera keep stopping app info close app problem on Android phone. For fixing this problem, go to your phone settings, then go to apps or application management, then go to see all apps. Now search for camera app, click on camera, click on force stop, then OK, then tap on storage and cache, then clear storage, then delete. Now open your camera app. Hello. Now I hope that this method fix camera keep stopping problem on Android phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.